Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c and hit enter to execute this command. Type c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c: and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space c:/. Now type this command. cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c: and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c: \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c: \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.